Yo, what's up? Yo, guys. So, you know what? I got some bad news. So, I came down to Salem State University to help out my boy, right? Because he had a flat tire. So, good news is we fixed his car. Bad news is somehow I got a motherfucking flat. I'm over here dealing with a flat tire. I got to go and put on my damn spare because God knows what the fuck happened. And I came over here to help one flat tire just to get another one. So we about to fix this.
You know the spot better than I do. Yeah. You want to position it when you get a chance?
Yeah. So we about to put the spare tire on until I can get my rims on. So I guess Christmas came early for y'all.
Well, Jay, you better be riding around with a weird ass tire. And this sucks because we both wearing some fly ass kicks to do a fucking tire job right now. It'd be funny though, we don't plan this shit. We semi-matching this shit. Yo, it's funny, that tire is thick as hell compared to this skinny ass shit. Yo, this skinny thing gonna support the fucking weight of the car?
I don't know that. New rims!
Well, what do you think?
New rims?
Give me some of those. Make this process a little quicker. I'm trying to go get food, bro.
I told Kayla. I had to pick
up this shit just for food.
I had to pick up Kayla. I'm like, baby, I'm sorry, I got a flat tooth. She was like, how? I was like, my luck.
She's like, yeah, I knew you was rushing. Yo, now just make sure those are on very tight. Not too tight, but tight. Because I did that shit to my older brother's whip one time. And one of the nuts flew off and the fucking tire almost flew off on the highway while he was driving.
Yo, I'm so proud to announce we finally got them on, guys. Look. Yo, they look amazing. Just wait till on the ground right now it's getting lifted, but I am sitting in my car right now. Actually, I had just got the rims mounted and I honestly can't wait to show you. I've already taken a lot of pictures, so if you guys follow me on Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook, you guys already probably seen them. So if you're just watching this video, you're about to get a sneak peek of what this beauty looks like. And I really can't wait to show you because honestly it looks great. But anyways, I'm gonna show you. I ain't playing. We about to be looking stellar when we pull up. Alexa, change light to blue.
Light isn't responding.
Alexa, change lights to blue.
Did you mean light?
Lights.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named lights.
Just magically changes to blue throughout the video. But it might happen. Just let it be. It's Alexa, should be tweaking. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little montage towards the end. Honestly, my car looks great. I would include some photos of stock OEM wheels on there, but that's not the point of the video, and those are kind of trash. And the car, honestly, I was looking back at some of them and those pictures were really trash. So I'm glad we got some new wheels. I'm glad I got a little poke. Honestly, they just look great. The car looks 10 times better, 100 times better. I don't care. A Civic with those wheels, it's A1. Better than a Lambo or a Ferrari. Better than a BMW, even if it only has 150 horses. Told you all the lights were gonna change blue magically. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, because I would really appreciate it. If you guys don't mind, share my page out there so your fellow car enthusiasts can take a look at it and maybe give it a like and possibly a future share. I would also greatly appreciate that. But yeah, thanks for watching.